Hello everyone, it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my Child of the 80s project pan. So this is a Fantastic Ladies collab project and it was created by Ceylan. And this project is all about the 80s. So first let me show you the products that I've met my goal on. So the first thing I met my goal on was for Lost Boys, a black or vampy item. I put in this Laura Gellar mascara and my goal was to finish it, and I finished it. I didn't really care for this mascara. It's just too dry. But again, like I've said, this has been sitting around for a while, even though I hadn't opened it. So maybe it just got dry over time sitting around. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Anyway, that's finished. Next, for Top Gun, a top item in a category, I picked this Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. My goal was to use it 10 times, and I did use it 10 times. For Nintendo, something fun to play with, I put in this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sugar Cookie. My goal is to use it 5 times, and I did use it 5 times. And the last thing, for Rubik's Cube, something colorful, I put in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I did use it 5 times. Okay, so now let me show you the progress I've made on my other products. So for Blockbuster, a discontinued item, I put in this Victoria's Secret body spray in the blush scent. So I was up there, and now I am down here. So I've made quite a bit of progress. This is not my favorite scent. Like, I didn't even really like it to begin with, and I'm really getting tired of it. I just wish it was used up already. Next, for Strawberry Shortcake, a fruit-themed item, I put in this Too Faced Primed and Peachy Primer. I didn't use this at all this month because there's a primer in my This Is Fantasy project pan, I think, that I'm trying to get through. And technically that project was already supposed to be finished and I haven't filmed my finale yet. But anyway, next we have Lace, a sheer item. I put in this Clinique Chubby Stick. I did use it a few times, but nothing major. My goal is to finish it. Next is Footloose, something that would have been forbidden as a teen. I just put in this red lipstick, even though I don't think it would have been forbidden, but my goal is to use it 5 times, and I have only used it once. For Eye of the Tiger, I put in this Estee Lauder Eye Cream. My goal is to finish it, and I didn't even use it 1 time. And the last thing, Indiana Jones indie product, I put in this O for Lip Liner. I did use this a few times, but I don't think I sharpened it, so not much there. Okay, so since I met my goal on 4 items, I'm going to roll in 4 more. Okay, let's see what I get. The Smurfs. I'm so sure. Light Bright. And last one. Sun In. Nice. My mom used to use Sun In a lot, and I remember it always being in the bathroom cabinet, so whenever I think of Sun In, I think of my mom. Anyway, let me go pick out some products for those prompts, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So for the first prompt, Sun In, a brightening or lightening product, I decided to go with a highlighter from this Too Faced Everything Nice palette. And my goal is to use it 5 times. For Light Bright, something that makes your skin shine from within, I decided to go with skincare. So I'm just putting in this foil packet from SK2. It's the Genoptix Aura Essence. I've never used it before, so I don't know if it will actually make my skin glow from within, but I'm gonna go with it. My arms are really sore today. So I work as a substitute teacher in an elementary school and a preschool, and the preschool I work at is a Head Start one, so there are a few classrooms with severely autistic kids, and I was in that classroom yesterday and I got bit by one of the students right here. It was a really bad bite, like broke skin and everything. So I went to the walk-in clinic after work to update my tetanus shot, and I have to be on antibiotics too, so that's great. So now both my arms are really sore today. Anyway, so next prompt is the Smurfs, and that's a blue product or packaging. I'm putting in these eye patches from Grace and Stella. And the last thing is I'm So Sure, something that's ridiculous. Wasn't really sure what to put in for this, so I decided to go with this face powder from Revolution, and I think it's ridiculous because I really don't like the packaging. Like, this cap is too small to like fit a face brush in, so I just, because I'm the kind of person who usually like taps some into the cap, I don't know. I would like to put this in a different packaging if I can ever finish a loose powder. Someday I will. So my goal is just to use it 5 times. Okay, so that is everything. I'm not sure. So for next update, I definitely think I can have the 2 skincare things done. I could probably meet my 5 uses on the other 2 things. Other than that, I'm not really sure if I could have anything else done. I still have a lot of prompts left. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to everything by the end of the year, but I'm definitely going to try. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!